Samhita and Shruti, we'd like to hear some divine music from you.
उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, जग दर्शन का मेला, जग दर्शन का मेला। जैसे पात गिरे तरोवर के, जैसे पात गिरे तरोवर के, मिलना बहुत दुहेला, मिलना बहुत दुहेला। ना जानू किधर गिरेगा, ना जानू किधर गिरेगा, लगया पवन का रेला, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, जग दर्शन का मेला, जग दर्शन का मेला। जब होवे उमर पूरी, जब छूटेगा हुकुम हुजूरी, जब छूटेगा हुकुम हुजूरी, जम के दूत बड़े मजबूत, जम के दूत बड़े मजबूत, जम से पड़ा झमेला, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, जग दर्शन का मेला, जग दर्शन का मेला। दास कबीर हर के गुण गावे, दास कबीर हर के गुण गावे, बाहर को पारण पावे, बाहर को पारण पावे, गुरु की करनी गुरु जाएगा, गुरु की करनी गुरु जाएगा, चेले की करनी चेला, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, जग दर्शन का मेला, जग दर्शन का मेला, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, उड़ जाएगा हंस अकेला, हंस अकेला, हंस अकेला।
Wonderful. You're really bringing Kabir's wisdom here. One more.
अवधूता युगन युगन हम योगी 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 योगी, युगन युगन हम योगी योगी। आवे ना जाए, आवे ना जाए, मिटे ना कबहू कबहू, शब्द अनाहत भोगे अवधूता, युगन युगन हम योगी 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 युगन युगन हम योगी योगी। सब ठोर जमात हमारे जमात हमारे सब ठोर पर मिला मिला हाँ मिला। सब ठोर जमात हमारे जमात हमारे सब ठोर पर मिला मिला हाँ मिला। हम सब माय हम सब माय सब है हम माय हम माय हम है बहुरी अकेला हम धूता युगन युगन हम योगी 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 युगन युगन हम योगी योगी। हम ही सिद्ध समाधि हम है समाधि हम है हम मौनी हम बोले बोले हाँ बोले। हम ही सिद्ध समाधि हम है समाधि हम है हम मौनी हम बोले बोले हाँ बोले। रूप स्वरूप रूप स्वरूप आरूप दिखा के हम ही में हम तो खिले अवधूता युगन युगन हम योगी 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 युगन युगन हम योगी योगी। गाहे कबीरा जो सुनो भाई साधो सुनो भाई साधो नाही न कोई इच्छा इच्छा हाँ इच्छा। काहे कबीरा जो सुनो भाई साधो सुनो भाई साधो नाही न कोई इच्छा इच्छा हाँ इच्छा। अपनी माढ़ी में आप में डोलू डोलू खेलू सहज स्वेच्छा अवधूता युगन युगन हम योगी 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 युगन युगन हम योगी 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 युगन युगन हम yogi, yogi.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, wonderful. Tell us a little bit about yourself. When did you learn Samhita? When you learn meditation, your meditation experience?
Namaste to one and all. My name is Samhita, and I'm a graduate student, undergraduate student. And I started meditating when I was 9 years old. My parents introduced me to meditation. And since then, I have been meditating and learning music since I was a kid. Music is in our family. So that's how we are into music. And ever since, we have been meditating, practicing music, and also spreading meditation through music to the youth and to everyone else.
Wonderful. What about you, Shruti?
Hello everyone, I'm Shruti. I'm a student. I just passed out of school. My journey was very similar to my sisters. We both started meditating around the same time. And growing up, I think it was high school when I seriously started meditating and, understand and like starting my journey there. Since then, we have been working with PSSM's youth wing, and we have been, spreading meditation in schools and colleges and parks and every opportunity that we can find.
That's great. So both have been gems in their own way, and then creating so much of divinity in us when they sing this Kabir wisdom. And of course, they are very, very versatile in what they can sing. Music is divine. And we heard from this. And when you add this to meditation, it is becoming so beautiful. Thank you for joining. And then the parents, your mom and dad. Our mom is Nagalakshmi Madam, is again a very senior meditator and sings excellent. She is a senior artist with All India Radio for a long time and many more. And we can see when, of course, when children become meditators, parents do, and then parents become meditators, children do. It's vice versa. Thank you for coming and then sharing
Thank you
that.
so much for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. That wisdom, that thing, the music is divine. And this is Kabir wisdom. By the way, those who can read Telugu, Patriji has written a book called Kabir the Mahayogi. Kabir the Mahayogi is collected, compiled a few dohas, and then he actually gave the Telugu meaning of that in Telugu is written. But an amazing, amazing wisdom that one must study Kabir wisdom. One must study this, and then it is a pure, pure, pure spiritual science that we are learning. Pure spiritual science. Doing away with the religion, doing away with the dogmas and this and that, but just helping us center into ourselves. And then some of that is going to be brought into the Hindi very soon as a project by Amulya and Co. And in PMC Hindi, it's going to be there. But coming back and connecting into this understanding that music is divine is a learning. We can learn it as text, or we can learn it with an experience. Now, this experience that we have heard of Kabir wisdom, music is divine. Now we imprint it permanently. We have a billion connections formed with all that beautiful music that they sang, Samhita and Shruti. So anything that we experience, experiential, stays for a long time because we are storing a lot many connections. So the question to ask ourselves is, in our day-to-day, life, whatever that we experience, if something is good experience, we repeat it, is great. So then you're projecting that emotion because the experience is trained to this music. When we heard, we are already lifted into a very lovable, joyous, divine emotion. But then if whatever we experience in our day to day, we have an argument with our spouse, or you have a difficult conversation with your boss, whatever that we experience, because everything is going through an experience of feeling and emotion. And then if you go back and relive it, experiencing is fine, but you go back and relive it, and then people are reliving when they relive 50% more by going and then telling a friend, by going and telling a family member, going and telling a colleague about the same thing, and then relive it, and you feel bad about it, you brood over it, you think about it again and again. Then what we are doing, dear friends, is we are strengthening the connection of our memory of that experience. And as a result, we increase the vibration of our body of that experience by producing that energy everywhere. So this is the first step in understanding our relationship with the matter, environment, and the people, is what experience are we repeating and then rehearsing unknowingly or knowingly. And hence we are producing that vibration. Once we understand that our brain is working this way, that our feelings and emotions are recorded much more deeply than merely visual, than merely text. And then every experience that you're going through about any human relationship is and it deeply has a feeling and memory. So we must be utmost careful. And meditation is that thing which is bringing us that awareness to be careful about what we feed into our brain. Because what goes into the subconscious then becomes the autopilot. It is magically working for us. So it's our choice to fill it up with such things. When you have an altercation or when you have a loss of this or that, how can we shift it? First, we have to be aware that we don't regret or repeat or brood over it. And second, then we fill that space with something else. So go into music like this with Samhita. And Shruti is that music. We go into the music. We have a choice to fill up with that a different thing that makes us go into nature. Nature certainly makes us very broad. Nature makes us, of course, naturally peaceful. It makes us connected. It makes us minuscule to drop ourselves. But we need that awareness to do a different response. And that's what meditation is doing. But I would like us to take away from today's session that in this learning to doing to being, when you repeat something, you slowly do of it, becomes a deeper long-term memory, and then you automatically be of it. You make judgments and then you become of that. So anything you see is always see with that colored lens. There is a color now you put in based on what judgment you have about a person or about a place. And judgment separates us. Judgment does not come, but judgment always is separating us. Combined with meditation, with the awareness of mindful living, we can easily make a wise choice of our past experience to live and not relive, to relive or not relive. It was not a choice before meditation because it is instantaneous, right? Under a second, when we see that child getting beaten by a father, suddenly brings up all the memory as we go about making the judgment without really understanding the reality behind whatever that is. I don't know what that. Our emotional intelligence is here in regulating, having a better regulated emotions is emotional intelligence. Those who are highly having a better, those who have better emotional regulation, they are highly successful. Okay, so my request, Jagdish, to say a few things about this Kabir Dohas that took us to a different plane.
Thank you. My first dedication to these young ladies. Lalan dekhan mai gaya, jit det ko tit lal. Lali dekhan mai gaya, mai bhi ho gayi lal. I hope you understand what I mean. There is this divinity. I went to see this divinity. I became divine myself. Wonderful. Thank you. And of course, I don't have to say that. I know, yes.
Can you give meaning of other dohas, the essence of the dohas that they sang?
Yeah, that's the story. What it says is, Laan and Meri Lal ki, the redness, that is the brightness of my love. That means the divine. Jita dekho dekho. Wherever you say this is this brightness, the redness of divine. Lali dekhan mai gaya. I went to see this divinity. I myself became it. Mai bhi hogi la. I myself became it. Unfortunately, this doha is missing in the Kabir hall we have. But there's another beautiful doha that is there in the hall I would like to share. It goes like this. Bura dekhan mai gaya, bura na milwa na koi. Jab man aapan khoja, to mujhse bura na koi paye. What he says is this. When I went to look for evil, this doha is there in the hall. When I went out for looking for evil, I didn't find any evil. When I searched myself within myself, I found there was no evil other than myself. Which goes to say, it comes to emotional intelligence. When you are evil, you have an evil mind, bad mind. Everywhere you see evil yourself. But when you try to look at outside, it's not there. It's also within us. Just to tell you this, when at school, we had a whole section called Prachin Padya, where we had to study both Kabir, Tulsidas, and Meera. It's very inspirational. Of course, there is the Adhunik Padya, which is consisted of Maithili Sharan Gop, Harpanchan Bachchan, and all that. But there's a whole section we had to, it remains in me. It's a beautiful spiritual experience people would go through school. It's wonderful.
Absolutely. Samhita and Shruti, why don't we do one more before we close? Yes?
Yes, sir.
याद रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, हो चोर आवेगा एक दिन, हो चोर आवेगा एक दिन, काल आवेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, हो तीर तोप तलवार न बर्छी न बंदूक चलावेगा, तीर तोप तलवार न बर्छी न बंदूक चलावेगा, हो आवत जात नजर नहीं आवे, आवत जात नजर नहीं आवे, भीतर घूम घुमावेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, हो घर ही तोड़े किला नहीं फोड़े ना कोई रूप दिखावेगा, घर नहीं तोड़े किला नहीं फोड़े ना कोई रूप दिखावेगा, हो इस नगर से उसे काम नहीं, इस नगर से उसे काम नहीं, तुझे उठा ले जाएगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, काहे कबरिया मुल्क वीराना कोई नहीं यहाँ अपना, काहे कबरिया मुल्क वीराना कोई नहीं यहाँ अपना, रे मुट्ठी बांध के आया रे बंदे, मुट्ठी बांध के आया रे बंदे, हाथ पसार के जाएगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, होशियार रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, जागृत रहना रे नगर में चोर आवेगा, हो चोर आवेगा, हो चोर आवेगा।
Thank you so much.
Just one question. Who is the chore here?
So basically, the chore here is death. So in the last doha, we must have observed that it says, "Muthi bandh ke aaya re bande, haath pasar ke jayega." So as a baby, when we are born, our fist is closed, and when we leave the body, our hands are like these. They are open. So that's what it is depicted through this bhajan.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Wonderful.